Hello everyone, welcome to soundproofguide.com. In this video, I will be talking about a product that might or might not really work, but we'll find out. It's quite well, some people call it a ridiculous product that they sell on Amazon. I'm sure you can buy it somewhere else. It's it's a little expensive. I think it's around $100 or $80. You can find some cheaper versions of these. They call it the Scream Jar. Now, some people might use it to de-stress, so you scream inside it and it's supposed to soundproof your scream. And also, I heard, which I'm not sure if it's actually true, that some people use these types of product if you are a vocal artist, let's say, and you want to, be practicing, I guess, your vocals in your apartment or somewhere where you can't really do it in a quiet manner, or you need it to be kind of soundproofed. So let's try it out. But first, what is this thing called? Well, it's called a Scream Jar Voice Silencer Stress Releaser Shouting to Whisper Handy New Karaoke. That's the name of the product on Amazon. That's obviously they're I think they were just looking for a bunch of keywords in their titles. So if you would put anyway, it's a bit much. But anyway, release your stress through screaming. The Scream Jar lets you refresh yourself by shouting to your heart's content no matter how loud your voice. It will change it to a whisper. We'll see. When you want to scream, use this handy product that lets you get it all out. The Scream Jar miraculously changes even the loudest scream to a normal speaking voice so you can shout no matter where you are. And it's made in Japan. Alright, well, there are versions here. There are versions for $29, some for $25, one for $112. I have no idea if they're all the same. I just bought the one, I think this one was $80 when I looked at my invoice, because like I said, I forgot I ordered this. I just got a package in the mail, I opened it up and this was in it, and I had quite a chuckle because I'm like, what am I even gonna do with this? Can I even make a video about this? Well, yeah, I am making a video about this. So I will try this out. As you can hear me, I'll have to take this microphone off so you can hear a little bit better. Now let's put this microphone somewheres right. I'll put it on my computer. I'll make it so it's pointing this way. So I'll scream this way because there's a hole underneath this thing. I guess it anyway, I don't know. I just don't really know. So let's try it out. I'll scream. It's kind of okay. I'll scream. Ah! So when that was a fake scream. When I'm mad, I think I have a little bit more emotions, but you kind of you'll hear the difference. Now, how do you put your mouth on this? Okay, let's do this again. Ah! Well, it does muffle the sound, but I wouldn't say that it muffles it to a whisper. I wouldn't say that it muffles it to a whisper, would you? Let's try that. Let's compare the whispering. Could you hear that? I'm not sure. Now, I will have a link. I'll have links in the description below of this very product. I'll have the link of the high-end model, which looks exactly as the low-end $28 model, but they could be made of completely different material. This is made of plastic. I might get an email from somebody saying that mine is made of rubber or silicone, and it works magically. And if it does, let me know where you bought it. And if you're the one that actually make these and your product is not like this at all, contact me, send it to me. I'll do a follow-up video and we can all find out what the big fuss is about. You see this on TikTok all the time. All the time I see these on TikTok. People screaming their lungs out and you can't hear a thing. You go to sporting events, people are cheering, everybody has one of these in their face. And I always wondered, what is that? They all have that in their face. They're all screaming with this thing. But what is it? I can't, well, obviously it's a scream silencer. It silences screams, and it works. Unbelievably, as you could hear. It's unreal. Okay, there's a big list of ridiculous products on Amazon. If you would like me to order some more, I actually have one that I already ordered that I'll be showing off in a future video. But if you see anything on Amazon or anywhere online that is kind of a weird product and they make huge claims, let me know in the comment section what is a weird item that I could try out, because I'll buy it. I will buy it. Until next time. Feel free to take a look at many of our other YouTube videos and also some of our articles on our website, soundproofguide.com. Don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and also consider subscribing to our channel if you like our content. Also, feel free to leave us a comment below if you have any soundproofing questions of your own. We will certainly try our very best to help you. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video or any other videos in our channel.